Ahoy there, crew, and welcome to Delishatorium. I'm your captain, Shayde Reynard, and I've got some more M&Ms today. M&M's released a new flavor called Crunchy Cookie. So, yeah, they're Crunchy Cookie M&Ms. A friend of mine told me that these existed, and I went and looked for them. Well, now I found them. We're going to give them a try. She said they're okay, so let's see if they're okay. Also kind of small. Like, here, for comparison, like, oops. I have key lime pie ones from my last episode. There's the size difference. You see? Yeah, this is key lime pie, this crunchy cookie. Significantly size difference. Kind of like these though. Yeah, not that many. Jesus. Oh, there goes one. Let me just take a handful of these. You know, not bad. Kind of tastes like cookie flavor in there. The M&M's chocolate. It's actually pretty nice. Kind of tastes like chocolate chip cookies. I kind of, excuse me. Kind of really dig it. Like, it's not a super potent flavor, but the texture and the mouthfeel is very pleasing, and the flavor itself is actually really nice. It just kind of goes together. It's like eating, I don't know, cookie crumbs, kind of like, I don't know, crushed up cookies in a bag and then just had, like, pieces of cookie. Not too bad. I honestly kind of really dig it. I think I like these. You know what? I'm going to give these a nice, say an 8 out of 10. They're delicious. I would recommend them. They're not the craziest thing. So, originality, I wouldn't say that it's super original, but they are very good. So, if you guys haven't had these, go ahead and give them a try. If you have had these, let me know what you thought about them. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more stuff like this, check out my playlist right here for Delishatorium. You'll see all sorts of other videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you at the journey's end. Ta-ta.